Queen Hatshepsut. Rise to power. Queen Hatshepsut was the oldest of two daughters born to the king Thutmose I. When she was 12, her father died and she married her half-brother, making her the queen. Her new husband died young, leaving her to take full reign of the kingdom. She ruled from 1493 through 1479 BC and died at the age of 50. Leadership style. Hatshepsut worked hard to prove herself as a legitimate leader to her people. She wanted to show the people that she was just as qualified as a man to rule the kingdom, being only the second historically female pharaoh in history. She had a deep connection with Egypt's history and studied what made the past pharaohs successful, and tried to learn from their mistakes. The pharaoh also made it a priority to surround herself with people that will help accomplish her goals. By ruling with confidence, integrity, and intelligence, she was able to pave a path for other future female pharaohs to rise to strong leadership roles. Accomplishments. One of the major accomplishments of Queen Hatshepsut's reign was the expansion of trade routes in ancient Egypt. Rather than electing to go to war, she established good trading relationships with other lands. This choice brought about wealth, prosperity, and peace to the kingdom. Queen Hatshepsut also oversaw the building of many prominent buildings and statues that could be found all across the land. She also restored many old temples that were previously built. Did you know she commanded that paintings and statues portray her as a male pharaoh by adding muscular features and even facial hair, such as beards? According to legend, she was the first to apply charred frankincense as eyeliner.